story so many people are talking about. A former law enforcement officer says a Wake County deputy may have violated the law when he entered a family's home before shooting and killing their dog. This is Zelda here. She was shot as a deputy tried serving a civil process warrant. WRAL's Chelsea Donovan talked to a legal expert and a former Raleigh police officer about training and protocol for situations like this. Chelsea.
Yeah, so the deputy told his captain on the scene, it was all captured on camera, that he went inside because the door was unlocked, the lights were on, and he noticed some things out of place. But none of those things would ever allow him to go inside, according to the law.
Hey, anybody home?
At 10:20 a.m., you see a Wake County deputy trying to serve a civil summons or a lawsuit at this home on Lord Berkeley Drive Tuesday morning.
Hello? Sheriff's office, anybody home?
No one was home, according to the Briggs family that lives here. Suddenly, you can see a deputy walk right in.
We're open door at my call.
If you're an officer or deputy serving a civil summons, likely you just leave that at the door if no one is home, correct?
Or typically leave a card, contact deputy so-and-so.
Lee Turner, former Raleigh police officer, now defense attorney, explains the only way law enforcement can enter during a civil summons.
There's a specific doctrine called the community caretaking doctrine, okay? That will allow a law enforcement officer to enter a private residence or private property if there is an immediate threat to someone or to the public safety. The door being ajar, as I understand, might have been the case here, the house looking kind of disheveled. I don't know if that qualifies for that.
Once the deputy goes in, he encounters Zelda, the family dog. Then 4 gunshots. Zelda died from the gunshot wounds.
And officers are allowed to use force to defend themselves. However, in this case, whether the deputy had a right to be in the house or not would dictate whether the force was being able to use.
All right, so we've asked who this deputy is, if he, his date of hire, kind of trying to get his background, and they say here at the Wake County Sheriff's Office that won't be provided to us, oddly enough, until their internal investigation comes to a full conclusion. We do, however, know that this deputy is on administrative leave. Live in downtown Raleigh, Chelsea Donovan, WRAL News.